Thank you very much, the VDW team, for organizing the EMO 2025. If I would have to describe the EMO 2025 in 3 words, I would say
innovation,
interdisciplinary, international,
and exciting.
Fun and big.
If I have to describe EMO in 3 words, I would say it's networking,
meeting great people and having good discussions.
it's emotional, and it's just fun to be here.
Motivational and outstanding.
Automation.
If I would have to describe EMO 2025 in 3 words,
I would say innovative, international,
showcasing, inspiration, integration.
Connectivity.
manufacturing the future.
To describe the EMO in 3 words, impressive,
Smart,
Crowded, created,
Great.
outstanding.
production technology,
Community. Sustainability.
Global and industrial.
High-tech and its hospitality.
Thank you very much.
Wow, what an EMO here in Hanover. Thank you for being with us.
Thank you to the visitors, thank you for the exhibitors, thank you to everybody who helped us to set it up. Great job.